Hey guys, another day, another Poshmark Q&A. I'm actually filming when we have no power right now, and I'm actually really impressed by this light. I can't look at it because it's so bright. This light is actually connected to my camera. I'll link the light down below if you're interested. I got it on Amazon. I don't remember how much it was, honestly, no idea, but I'll link it down below if you're interested. Before we get into the questions, I want to thank you guys. I've gotten a bunch of messages from you guys asking where I've been because I haven't uploaded a video in a little bit, and life's just been crazy. I really haven't had time to pre-film. I think I told you guys in a previous video that we hired a nanny. Just been working on getting other things done, but I am going to get back to my filming game. Anyway, the lighting keeps changing. It is so windy outside, that's why we lost power. Oh, a bunch of you guys in my last video, a bunch of you guys asked how to get the Poshmark sharing tool. I'll link it down below. I meant to link it in that video, but I didn't, but it is linked in that video, but I will link it down below in this video as well. Poshmark sharing tool is amazing. It's how I share my closet, but I gotta warn you guys, be careful, because I've been in Poshmark jail so many times, Poshmark share jail, because they came out with a new mode. It's called no scroll mode. So you can literally just tap, just keep tapping, tap, tap, tap. Like, it's all manual. You still have to do it. It's not a bot, but it's very easy to share a lot of things quickly. So yeah, just be careful with that. But I will link it down below. It's amazing. I love it so much. Okay, first question, another point. Someone just opened a case saying I did not show the marker pen price under the shoes. Couldn't remove it, but oh well. I got them from a friend, but not sure if she got them at Goodwill. Kind of looked like their pricing. What does that have to do with the condition or as described? We'll see what Poshmark says, but would you say you have to show the marking? I've sold other shoes with marks and no issues. So when I sell shoes, I take a picture of the bottoms of the shoes, so I would show the markings. But you know, it's the bottom of the shoes. Like, I can understand people not wanting to buy shoes that you know, where the tread has been worn off, but if they're kind of dirty on the bottom, like, they're gonna get dirty on the bottom. You sent this message a while ago. This was from last week, so if you're watching this video, Christine, comment down below and let me know what Poshmark decided. Okay, next question. Hey, I got a question. I purchased something on Poshmark on accident and it's past the 3-hour deadline. How can I cancel the order now? So unfortunately, you cannot cancel the order. If you purchase something and 3 hours have gone by, you cannot cancel the order. You can contact the seller and ask them to cancel the order. It's, you know, it's really up to them if they want to do that or not. But unfortunately, once 3 hours have passed, you cannot cancel. It's up to the seller. Okay, next question. Hi, I have a question for your next Q&A video. Have you ever had a name your price sale or anything similar? I'm trying to get rid of most of my inventory and I want to do like a huge sale, but I've never done it before. I'm not sure how to do it and still make a profit. I've done a bunch of sales before, and you know, they're either hit or miss. There's no like rhyme or reason, I feel. I don't know. Honestly, I feel like I have the most luck getting sales when I do offers to likers. You said you're not sure how to do it and still make a profit, so you need to know, you know, your cost of goods and then just go from there. But again, I have done a few sales and I just like offers to likers the best. I feel like that's where I make the most sales, is just sending offers to likers. Okay, this person said, hi Vanessa, great video. Just wondering, I think I'm lost on that Poshmark sharing thing. How do you do it? And can you do it on the iPhone? I'm still doing it the way you used to do it through Safari. Is that what you mean, or is it the front? So Poshmark sharing tool is a Google Chrome extension. You actually can do it on your phone or on your iPad. You just have to be mirroring your computer. So, you know, it's not like you could be doing it like riding in the car unless you have your laptop with you. But yeah, you have to download a Google, what is it called? Google Remote Desktop, I think it is. Yeah, Remote Desktop by Google, and you can do it from your phone or your iPad. I just do it from my computer. It's just easier and quicker that way. But yes, you are able to do it on a different device. We'll link Rachel's Instagram down below. She's the one that created the Poshmark sharing tool. I'll link it down below. I think she has a few videos saved on her Instagram, like showing how to mirror it if you're interested in that. So check the description box. Okay, next question. I think this might be the last question because I got a long video already. Okay. Hi Vanessa, I'm back with another question. Oh, your name's Vanessa too. Hey. What do you do if and when a buyer calls you out on purchasing an item for a low cost and selling it and reselling it for a lot higher? I had a lady link a sold listing under my current listing. The sold listing was the exact same sweater that I had purchased for a low price, and I am now flipping it to make money. I tried to keep it as professional as possible and be nice to her, but should I block her? I reported her comment as spam to get it gone from the listing. Do you have any experience with this? I know it's none of her business what I do with my business, but I just want to remain professional. So yes, I have had people, you know, they're like, oh, you can get this on the so-and-so website for cheaper. It's like, okay, then go on the so-and-so website and get it for cheaper. You know, I mean, I've said that to people. You know, I can understand wanting to keep it professional, obviously, but, you know, some people, you just gotta let them know how it is. This is my business. I make money. If you don't want to pay more for it, then go elsewhere. Like, this is how the world works. People buy things, people make things for cheap and sell them for higher. Like, hello, welcome to the world. This is how shit works. You know, that's what I would say to them in a professional way, sometimes. But, you know, if they're being an asshole, I'll just tell them how it is. I don't care. Professionalism, I don't really care. But yes, I have dealt with people like that. I have had to block people because, you know, they comment on a listing, you can get this at so-and-so's closet for cheaper, or you can get it on this website for cheaper. And it's like, and those people I just block. I'm just like, you're not even worth replying. I'm just blocking. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keeping It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.